Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow push notifications on the Grailify application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the Grail alarm button and click on this icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can see the notifications section at the top, so you can allow push notifications if you tap on this button in the right side. But first of all, go to your settings. So tap on settings, you will be directed at this page and click on notifications. Tap on allow notifications, then go back and you can choose the market that you would like to get reminders about or notifications, and you can also allow reminders, and you can set the time too, such as 15 minutes before the release, 1 hour, or 1 day before. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.